Save this video if you want to experience Singapore's largest food truck and container park here at Resorts World Sentosa. Hi kay Gala! I discovered a food truck at Universal Studios Singapore that serves awesome burgers. Tara, samahan niyo ko. If you are planning to visit Universal Studios Singapore, please do not skip to try this trending food truck that serves yummy burgers, The Good Burger. But alam nyo ba mga kahigala, what makes The Good Burger unique? Kasi for sure, ito ang itatanong nyo sa akin. Same lang din yan sa iba. Eme-eme ka pa? Charot, haha. The Good Burger serve delicious plant-based burgers and they have a platform to drive change for a greener and kinder world. Oh, diba? San ka pa? Recycling and going meatless whenever they can to make a real difference. Wow, definitely a good burger. Impossible to resist. Also, preparing your burger inside the truck itself. Wow, a different vibe talaga. I love also their fries. The buns of the burger is soft, exactly taste like beef, and sauce fantastic. At kung baga, simple but yet planet-friendly ang burger na to. I have tasted. Uy, hanggang sa susunod here in Singapore. Ingats and God bless.